Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check watch time in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to track channel growth, monetization progress, or video performance, watch time is one of the most important metrics to monitor. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Analytics tab from the left side menu. This section shows all your channel performance data. Right on the overview page, you'll see your total watch time measured in hours. If you want watch time for a single video, go to the Content tab, select a video, and open its Analytics page. For more detailed information, click Advanced Mode. This gives you deeper watch time reports, audience retention, and traffic data. You can also change the date range to see watch time for the last 7 days, last month, or custom periods. And if you're working toward monetization, watch time is especially important because YouTube requires public watch hours for eligibility. Use the analytics tools to compare which videos generate the most watch time so you know what content performs best. So that's how to check watch time in YouTube Studio in 2026. Monitoring this metric regularly can really help you grow your channel faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.